Hey there, how y'all doing? Say hi.
Hello.
Alright, so today, I've been wanting to do this a long time with the camera, and now I finally have time to do it. So, y'all have seen those videos on YouTube where they wash the car down with the pressure washer and the foam, and it looks really cool. Well, I don't have a foam cannon or a pressure washer, but I know of a place that does have it. So, I just want to go ahead and I want to wash the whole car down, like with it, and I want to make a really cool video out of it. So I think it'll be cool. Also got a haircut, by the way. If you noticed, good job. Yeah, finally, it's about time, but I finally got one. So yeah, I'm gonna do a start of the car. It's not gonna be a cold start because I have started earlier, but it is still a start. And then we'll be on the way.
A few moments later.
We made it! So, now I gotta figure out how this thing works, but for the next little bit, y'all are probably gonna get some montage of me spraying foam all over the car, and that is always super cool. So, yeah, let's go do it! Alright, so we gotta go through. There's a tire cleaner, pre-soap, high pressure soap. You can do a car now? What are we even talking? I haven't been here in years because I don't like these car washes. See, the thing is, I like doing it with the mitt. But now that I got the ceramic coating, I kind of want to start doing this more since the ceramic coating is going to help take it off without the mitt. So that helps prevent scratches. So, yeah. Tell me what y'all thought. It's looking much cleaner now. Look at that. Everything is clean. And just a good car spot, you know? I mean, As y'all saw it in the video, y'all probably saw the water flow off a lot more with the ceramic coating. So I did get a ceramic coating. So now all the water, yeah, you see, look, watch. All the water just falls right off. Yeah. But it's looking clean. So that's all it is. Let me tell you, it's much easier to get a car ceramic coated and then washing it than if you don't have a ceramic coating, man. It makes it much easier, And then I did it for the winter. Because I don't want to be out here when it's 40 degrees trying to wash my car all the time. So, you know, get it ceramic coated. All you gotta do is just wash it off, get it with a nice pressure washer, and it'll be clean. So that's it. Usually we would dry it, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and drive it, and I should do a pretty good job. We stopped at Walmart real quick to get a few stuff for the car, but everybody knows you always gotta park in the very back of Walmart. So what do you think about me parking in the very back of Walmart?
I used to hate it, now I kind of am okay with it.
Yo, you always gotta park in the very back right here, always. But yeah, we about to go in. Gotta get some more stuff for the car. All right, see ya. So, we are gonna do good. Now, what you think? She looks good? Mm-hmm. Except for the watermarks?
She looks great.
Great. All right, we gotta go home, and then we gotta film a few more stuff for our channel intro. But, I might have a surprise on the way home. Okay, y'all, we have come, to Fitzgerald Chrysler Dodge Jeep because they have a very special car that I want to look at. And it's not this SXT, although it is close, but it ain't. Charger Scat Pack Widebody. Oh my god. 6.4 liter, 485 horsepower, 4-door sedan. Now this thing is crazy. Just come around. So first you got the Scat Pack logo right here looking beautiful. Look at that B. You go around and you see that, you automatically know what it is. Dual tips just like me. The tips look a little bit smaller than mine, but they fit the car so well. We got 305s all around. 305 tires on Pirellis all around. Amazing. And Jesus Christ, these are 500s. They're pretty much all season tires, it looks like, because they're on 500s. I'm on 120s, I believe. So mine are more extreme. But look, you got the 392 Hemi right here in the front. Crazy stuff. And you get this front. Now this is a new design. Look at it, you already got a bug on the front. This is a new design for the front. Basically, they call it the mail slot. And basically what it is that this part right here is completely open to let more air in. In previous generations, they had these right here. They were like little slits where the air can go in. And they were okay, they were cool. They used them for, I believe, the 2019 model year. And then they switched to this, which I feel like this is a much cleaner design. I feel like it's much better and it looks much cooler. on top of that, just look at these fenders. So they call it the wide body, but all it is fender flares on the car that come from the factory. Now they are not the same. Wide body and fender flares are not the same. Fender flares are just on the fender, and wide body means that this whole part of it right here is all like part of the vehicle. So they didn't really name it right, but I mean it is a wider body, but they have to do something to allow these huge 305 tires all around. Look at these 6-piston Brembo brakes. Oh my goodness, they are all crazy. Yep, P0s, and they are all season tires. I couldn't get inside of the car, you know, it is closed, so we just came by to look at it while it was closed. But beautiful car, man, beautiful car. I've always said the Chargers are always beautiful, and this one right here puts it to the next level. But truly amazing car. What do you think about it?
I like it.
You like it?
Yep.
I think it's a crazy good looking car.
I just don't like the handles. Like, they're too old fashioned.
Well, see, this car, the body of this car has been always revised. It's never been a brand new body, so it is very old. So imagine you take the same car and then you just redo it over and over and over again. So the handles are gonna stay the same. They keep the handles the same, which is very old school. Another thing that's super old school that I noticed is for the trunk, you have this little plastic button right here. So it's definitely time for them to do a new version of the Charger. But I mean, this is beautiful, but it's been around forever. You've seen version after version of the Charger. Once again, I just want to say thank you to Fitzgerald, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep for having this car. It's brand new. Y'all can buy it. I'm pretty sure they can get you some discounts. Go talk to my boy Brandon. He's the one that ordered the car. Brandon is such a cool guy, coolest guy in the world. One day we're gonna meet Brandon on the vlog, and he's gonna tell you more about it. But look at this thing, man. Crazy. Imagine this little family sedan beating me in a race like it's nothing. Jeez, nah, if I know it's a Scat Pack, I'm not going near it. I am not going near it. That is until I get the GT. And after I get the GT, maybe, we are a lot lighter, a lot lighter. But yeah, and then we got ours right here. Looking good, sitting, purring. So yeah, we'll see y'all later. What you guys say? Peace.